everybody? Got a big box. Not really a big box. There's a lot of stuff in this box though. This is one of those things where I always tell people, if you're looking at stuff on eBay and somebody's got a couple items for sale, ask them and say, hey man, I was just wondering, do you have anything else that you'd be looking to get rid of? And this is one of those things where a guy had a couple things listed up, and I had asked him if he had anything else, and he said, yeah, actually I'm going to be posting a whole bunch more stuff here. So, pack job cardboard, some of these came off, so we'll put these aside here. But what we have here is some crimp spades. There should be a couple of these in here. So there's one, two. Let's move this box out of the way. So there's two. Here's a better view of them. RP 6804 is the model on those. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just kind of looking at them to see if they were all in there. That one looked like it's got one missing a little bit, but it's not. It's there. And something just fell off. I don't know what that was. Either something fell off my tripod or... Hold on a minute. Give me a minute here. Let me see what's going on. Oh, okay. Part of my camera holder broke. So I will have to look into that. Anyway, continuing on, moving forward. Here is a platinum flat bottom ground terminal. This is for the big dogs. CPP SGT. There's this here. And we still have more terminal spades here. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we got some more stickers and stuff that fell off here. Then we have a negative battery clamp, and this is model CPPBCMON. That's kind of funny that this is all yellowed on the back. The front's clear, so it must have been hanging like this in the window or something for a while. So we've got this. Here we have a positive. So we've got negative, positive terminal. And I don't see, take a look here. I don't see any identification markings like a plus or a minus on here. But the model on this is CPPBCMOP. So we got these. We've got more. This is another thing that fell off. Here we've got CPPFDU2. This is going to be 1/0 input, 4-gauge outputs. Here's the back here. Kind of show off the things here, and that's a 2-post or a 2-way. So there's this, which actually I'm going to put this up here. And last but not least, we have one more. So out of all of this stuff, this all came from one guy. And originally, the only thing that he had listed was this item and each one of these terminals, or the battery terminals here. So I went from buying this and these two to buying everything else. So once again, this kind of goes to show that if you ask and say, hey, you got anything else? You know, what's the worst that's going to happen? They're going to say, nope, I don't have anything. Or they're going to say, as a matter of fact, I'm looking at getting rid of these, And it's a lot easier to pack up. Here's another thing in the box. It's a lot easier to pack up one box of items versus having to having to pack up, what is this? There's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different items. Then you have your fees on all that other stuff. So nice accessory lot. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these, honestly. These won't work with my amplifiers for the DSM amps that I have. So yeah, I don't know. I'll probably just hang them up and let them yellow some more. Or maybe I'll give them away for, you know, a video with 10,000 views or something. Or if I get a certain amount of likes or something like that. I don't know. So anyway, a lot of new subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for listening to me ramble on half the time about these items that I collect. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. I do want to let you guys know that a lot of these videos are usually a couple months behind. So if you're watching this and you say, oh, hey, do you have any more? Do you have these for sale? Or are you going to sell these? The likelihood of me having them is probably not going to be very good, just because I buy, sell, and trade a lot. So if somebody's looking for one of these and they may have something that I don't have, then I'd be giving one up and trading it. But I may actually keep most of this, but sell some of these. So anyway, hope you liked the video once again. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Feel free to drop me a comment down below. And have a good one.